Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Ashimaryhair. Once more, you know Ashimary is a fave, right? So they sent a tote bag which is branded. Everything is always branded, and I always love this color that they use. It's beautiful teal. Of course, I'm seeing the wig as the first thing in the box, and then of course let's get into the goodies. I got a bonnet, and I also got a robe. That's this right here that I'm showing you, and then I got into the goodie bag. So I did get 2 powder puffs and a branded Ashimary elastic headband. I got this edge brush and comb along with a spatula, and then I got some pins. These lashes are so gorgeous that they add in there, and a pair of HD wig caps. Now this is today's wig. It's a 13x6 full lace deep wave wig. I must say this is very similar to a 13x6 lace front that they sent me some time ago, which is also gorgeous. It's 26 inches long. I'm gonna put the specific specifications down below as well, but this comes pre-cut and it is so gorgeous with the construction. It's branded again. This is how the inside look. The lace is bleached. It is one of the largest glueless lace front like wig in terms of the lace area. It's a lot of space to work with. The combs inside of this cap are removable, and you have one in the back, 2 on the sides, and I love that. The elastic band that they attached in here is also adjustable, and it is branded Ashimary glueless, so you know that you're working with a glueless wig. And I was just showing you that the combs are removable. So I went ahead, slipped it on, and I did get some tapes inside, so that's what I'm going to be using for today's install. So you see where I started to apply it here. So I did use decide to use 4, just that we could have that nice flat melted look. So yeah, still very much glueless. So that's what it looks like once I attach them. So I love that Ashimary did put these in the packaging as well. I love that the lace front is pre-plucked as well. It looks so natural. So you see how it looks once I remove those, the back of the tape, like very much transparent, you know, love that. So I was just pressing it in with the comb, and you know, I removed any bit of lace that I felt didn't have any hair on it, to just make everything look more realistic and to further blend everything so that, you know, the cast is removed. I used some of my lace, some of my face powder to remove any of that casty look. You know, we do not want that. You want your wig to look as natural as possible. And once I was done with kind of like applying the powder, I went ahead and showed you guys that you could definitely part this lace anywhere you feel. As I said, it's a very large lace front area, so you could get various styles with this. You could do braids, you could do you could do ponytails, you could like a nice half up, half down. It's a lot of space to work with. I love that. So I went ahead, used the elastic headband to further melt the lace portion in, just so that everything could be a little bit more flat. And in the meantime, I decided that, okay, I was gonna go ahead and style it. So I opted to do this like mid ponytail. And as I said, you could feel free to go ahead and do braids, which would be cute too. But I just went ahead and did this really nice ponytail where you could see the parting, and it just came off so natural looking to me as well. It was so realistic. So that's what I did to kind of show off the lace with today's hairstyle. Absolutely love it. I just got a scrunchie to kind of just gather it, and I did a little cute bun, which you're gonna see in a few. And yeah, I really loved it. The hair is super soft, I must say. It's very silky. The way that they did the lace was so detailed, it comes off like skin-like. So I really do love that. This was the amount of shedding that I got. you know, minimal shedding, so that's good. And this is how we're looking after I did that little ponytail. Cute, right? So cute. And then I just went in with my bottle water and spray right throughout the wig to just redefine the waves. There's nothing but water in the bottle, so yeah, really cute, really easy to apply, very beginner friendly. So I was just showing you guys how it looked once I was finished. Looks absolutely gorgeous. As I said, I'm really pleased with today's wig. If you guys are interested in this wig and you feel like you want to go ahead and get it for yourself, the direct link is down below. Shout out to Ashimary once more for today's wig look. Alright, I definitely recommend it, especially if you're looking for a bomb, you know, like deep wave wig for the summertime. I think this is a perfect vacation look, you know. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.